Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we will be cooking this very easy dish known as Chinese chicken stir-fried with ginger and spring onions. So let's start cooking. First we are going to marinate the chicken first. This is 1 kilogram of chicken, one whole chicken, 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger juice, 2 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, as well as white pepper. Mix them up well and let them marinate for at least half an hour. Of course, the longer you marinate this, the better this will taste. Before you fry this, I would suggest that you take them out from the fridge and let them return to room temperature first so that they will be evenly cooked. So once this is mixed up well, leave them aside or in the fridge and marinate for at least half an hour. I'll see you back in a while. Heat up the pan. I'm using Shogun by Gourmet over here. Add in oil. We are going to fry the ginger slices first to make sure that they are fragrant before I put in the chicken. Here's 30 grams of sliced ginger. Put them all in. 6 cloves of garlic. I just halved them. We want to bring out the maximum fragrance from this ginger and garlic over here, so we got to brown them a little bit. I'm using medium heat over here. Don't turn the heat up too high, otherwise the garlic as well as the ginger will get burnt pretty easy. This dish is very wonderful with steamed rice. Pretty easy to cook too. You can start to smell the fragrance coming out from this beautiful combination of garlic and ginger. For this Shogun by Gourmet, this pan over here, this has been very good for us. It's very durable. It's granite coating and it's a non-stick pan. I've been using it for like I think 1 year plus already, and this is really good. So once when you can smell the beautiful fragrance that's coming out from here, we add in the chicken. Don't pour the chicken in because we don't want to pour the juices in right now. I want to sort of brown the skin a little bit. So with a tong, I'm just going to put the chicken skin down first. Don't pour the marinade away. Later we'll just pour this over the chicken. Just brown them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Smells so good. You can use any part of the chicken. If you like chicken thigh, use chicken thigh. If you like wings, just use wings. No problem. Not necessarily you must use the whole chicken. So once the skin has browned a little, you can turn to the other side and do the same. So once this is done, you add in approximately 6 stalks of spring onion. Add in only the white parts right now. Add in also 1 cup of Chinese rice wine, as well as the remaining marinade. We will also add in 3 tablespoons of premium dark soya sauce. This is not the salty type, so if you're using a salty type, please reduce them by half. I like the color to be a little dark. Give it a stir. Smells really good. This is going to be so good. So now what we're going to do is just put the lid or the cover on and let this cook and simmer for 20 minutes. Turn the heat down to low and let it simmer. If you like your chicken to be more tender, you can actually simmer them longer. The chicken has been simmering for 20 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh, beautiful, smells so good. To balance the taste, I'll add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add in the rest of the spring onions. Give it a good stir. Look at how beautiful this dish is. Tastes fantastic too. Now we're just going to thicken up the sauce a little bit so that it will cling onto the chicken and taste so much better. Slowly pour it in and thicken up the sauce. Before dishing this dish up, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of Hua Biao Jiu, Chinese cooking wine, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And ladies and gentlemen, it's time to serve this dish. We've done our cooking, let's just have a taste. Very flavorful. This goes extremely well with steamed rice. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our Chinese chicken stir-fried with ginger and spring onion. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.